Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you one of the common problems on a Mini Cooper, which is an issue with the airbag. We're starting by reading the error codes, and the location of the OBD port is shown in the video. I'm using an auto diagnostic tool to read the codes, and it has proven to be very reliable. The codes read by the auto are 93AB and 93A8, which are airbag errors on the driver's and passenger's side. We couldn't clear the codes, which indicates that the issue is with the airbag ECU itself and it needs to be replaced. In the next part of the video, I'll show you the exact location of the airbag ECU and everything that needs to be removed to access it. First, we remove 2 Torx screws next to the gearbox and 1 screw behind the parking brake. After that, we remove the center console as shown in the video. Next, we remove the 2 screws located right next to the handbrake. We remove the rear trim around the armrest. The screws are on both sides. Once we've removed the plastic, we move on to removing the entire armrest. The screw locations are shown in the video. After that, we remove the screws under the armrest, which are attached to the plastic covering the airbag ECU. Finally, we've reached the airbag ECU itself, which is secured with 3 screws. Before doing any work on the airbag system of any car, don't forget to disconnect the battery. After replacing the ECU, all parts need to be reinstalled. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.